guys, are you ready?
What? If
Do
I
you
can
need
get it
help?
out.
Hold on.
Oh.
Ready? Wait. Hey guys, so we have a really fun video we're going to do today.
Yeah.
You know how much we love to support small shops, especially Disney-related small shops. So we have a couple things that we want to share with you.
Yeah.
And we're super excited with a lot of what we got.
I know. I can't wait for summer.
You're holding one in your hand and you're like ready to show it.
Ah.
Let's just start. Let's go for it.
All right. So first up, we have this amazing Haunted Mansion wood print, I guess it is, right?
Painting.
Painting?
It's
Yes.
definitely paint.
It is the 3 ghosts there from Haunted Mansion.
Yep, the hitchhiking ghosts.
Ooh, I love it. And you can hang it on the wall.
You guys know how much we love the Haunted Mansion too,
yes.
so like...
It's made of wood.
Who's there?
The 3 hitchhiking ghosts.
Oh, no.
So John Wyatt makes these. He's with Zombiance Horror Crafts. You can look them up online. They have all cool Haunted Mansion stuff, some Disney stuff, some horror stuff. There's a bunch of other things.
Yeah.
But we picked this up from him, and we love it. So
Yes.
can't wait to hang it up. And, I mean, who doesn't like the 3 hitchhiking ghosts in your house?
Exactly. I mean, I don't know about like actually in my house, but
Yeah.
speaking of Haunted Mansion, I've actually gotten some messages about this sweatshirt that I'm wearing right now because I have worn it before. It is Haunted Mansion.
Ooh.
There is a back too. I will get up in a second. But this is from Foolish Mortal Supply. You can find them on Instagram. They have like the coolest stuff. I mean, it's Disney related, so everything is Disney for the most part. Let me get up and show you the back of this sweatshirt. Can you help me out here?
I'm jealous of the sweatshirt. Yeah, go down a little bit.
Down a little. Okay, wait.
There you go.
Can you see it?
Yeah, ghost tour.
Yeah, there you go.
There it is. Perfect.
I actually wore this sweatshirt when we went to Hoop-de-Doo back in January. And I was waiting online, and literally everyone behind me was like, did you get that here? Where did you get that sweatshirt? Oh my gosh, that's so cool. I'm like, yeah, I know. Foolish Mortal Supply. It's super comfortable too. Like whatever, fabric they use, or it's just super comfortable. All their stuff is super cool. Please go check them out.
It's important that it's comfortable. Yeah. What's going on down there?
I know, I have a lot to show you. I'm actually really excited about this. So if you guys don't know of our friends from across the border, It's Always Sunny. Shout out to Heidi and Brandon.
Yeah, awesome.
Heidi makes her own scrunchies. Her company is called Sunshine Scrunchies. And you guys, these are super cute. I'm so excited to show you these. So this one here is like the little Tsum Tsums. You can see there's like Pluto. Here's Pooh.
Wow.
Right?
Cool.
And like there's like a skyline and it's a white scrunchie.
I love it.
It's like even to wear it around my wrist. It's like super comfortable. I mean, I wear them in my hair as well. So they are going to come down to Disney with us in just a couple days. Okay. And then I have this. I love this one. This one is Dumbo.
That is cool. I like the color of it.
Me too.
Yeah.
That's why I really like. There were other colors too, but this one for some reason with the Dumbo like really matched. So here's Dumbo, and then we have Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Eeyore, and Piglet, which is kind of like the same similar color here.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you could see there. These are actually, you know what we'll do is we'll insert a picture of them right here.
Yeah.
So you get to see what they all look like. And then Heidi, I just have to thank you for the other scrunchie. You guys, this is the smaller version of them. She does have 2 sizes, but even so, like super cute, not tight, fits in my hair.
Yeah.
I'm so excited to wear these in Disney. So thank you. Please go check her out. Sunshine Scrunchies.
Last but not least, what's in the package?
Oh, that's how you're going to do it? I was like waiting for you to like take it out. Okay. Guys, this is fun.
Yes. This is
like I'm
personally made for us. We know what it is.
Yes.
But it's amazing. And we're really excited about it. And if you ever want one, you can go to Unmasked is the name of the company.
Yes.
Shopunmasked.com. And Matt is the owner of the company. And he makes...
Oh, you guys, are you ready?
What? If
Do you need help? Hold on.
Oh.
Ready? Wait.
Oh.
So cool.
Oh my God.
So if you guys haven't noticed by like the title of our channel, our last name is Weber.
Yes. Adventures in Weberland.
Yes.
And Matt made this. and it made a large size. I don't think it even fits on my chest here, but you can hang it on the wall.
Yeah,
it's a
there's
little
a hook right there.
Yeah, and it matches the name tags at Walt Disney World, and we thought it was so cool. I think he also makes signs of different rides and stuff like that. But if you go to shopunmasked.com, you can get one of these.
Yeah, and you can get it personalized to whatever you want. So if you want just your first name and the actual town you're from, or just the state you're from, Matt will work with you on that too.
Yeah, we are so excited for this. We're definitely
Yes.
going to hang it probably right back here and change it up a little bit. But thanks, Matt.
So I'll put all these small shops that we mentioned today down in the description below, along with their link to their website or their Instagram account. Please go support them if you can. This is something we love to do. We love to support small shops. And if there is any that we haven't mentioned yet, please comment below. Let us know. We would love to check them out, and we want to support them as well.
And you get like really cool, unique things that you can't normally find, like a generic version.
Like that?
Yeah, I mean, even the Haunted Mansion thing. I mean, and the Scrunchies. You're not going to get another one just like it. Like, it's a unique gift, or you can even get it for the holiday season.
Yep.
You know. So we really love it, and we're going to be hanging these up, and make sure you check our social media for that, and see if when we do hang them up, we'll post a picture or whatever. You can follow us on Instagram and on Facebook at Adventures in Weberland.
Yeah, and if you like what you see, please give this video a big thumbs up. It definitely helps us to know what kind of content you guys like to see. Please also subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you're notified every time we post a video.
And we're going to see you on the next Adventures in Weberland.
Oh, will we?
Yes.
We sure
With
will.
The
With our
Webers.
name tag.
Have a magical day.
Please don't do that.